Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how you can use the formula function in Airtable. So as you can see, I have this amount spent column here, and then I have this price paid column. So I have basically created these columns just to show you, just to give you an example of how formula works. So as you can see, I have created this formula, this multiplication formula. What it does is it takes value from these two fields and it multiplies them. So 50 multiplied by 40 is 2000. It displays the result here. 10 by 10 is 100. The result gets displayed here. But let's see how a formula is created. So all you have to do is you have to press this add field button. Here you have to scroll down and you have to search for formula. Press formula, and here you can create any formula that you want. So first of all, you want to select the fields. So let's say I want to subtract amount spent from price paid, or let's say I want to subtract price paid from amount spent. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to select price paid table, price paid column by entering the name. I write price, and it automatically shows me this field. I can select, I can just click on it, and then I have to just add the symbol. So if I want to do multiplication, I add multiplication symbol. I want to do division, I want division symbol. But here, since we want to do subtraction, I add subtraction symbol, and then we have to select the second column. Okay, so the second column is amount spent. I type amount, and it automatically shows amount spent column on the bottom. Click on it, and that's it. Now you just have to press create field, and that's it. So now it shows the calculation basically. So these two columns, if you subtract 40 out of 50, the answer is -10, and if you subtract 10 out of 10, the answer is 0. So this is basically the subtraction. You can rename it. So I renamed it to subtract, and that's perfect. I just press enter, and as you can see, basically, sorry, it just created another field. You just have to press this field, double click, and add subtract, rename it, and press save button, and that is perfect. As you can see, it has added the subtract field, and it shows the subtraction between these two values. And this way, this is basically a small simple demonstration on how you can use formula option in Airtable. I hope this tutorial was helpful. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks.